friends, welcome to my channel. Today video is going to be amazing because I'm going to create this type of animation in the Blender 2.9. So this is a model that I created here, and you can see that it's look amazing, and I created it totally in the Blender geometry nodes. So let's start, and I'm going to show you. So friends, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel first, and then after, if you think that video is going to be better and you think that it is very knowledgeable, then please share to your friends, and please subscribe my channel, and please follow me on my Instagram. There is more videos and more photos and more images and more ideas that I posted there. Okay, so let's start with me. So first we are going to create a icosphere. So place here a icosphere. The subdivision must be 5. Okay, subdivisions must be 5. Okay, so it's already subdivided. So change the name to our base mesh. Okay, its name is a base mesh. So let's open our geometry nodes panel here. Click on here and name the geometry nodes to base. Now zoom it, Shift A, and first I'm going to create a point distribute node. Okay, point distribute. So you can see that the icosphere is converted to some points. Okay, so what we do now, just go in here and change to Poisson disk and density to 50 and distance is 0.5. Okay, now you can see that there is a more points here and density also. So what we do now, press Shift A and add a math node here. Okay, and connect the value to value and change add to multiply, and now you can see that there is a value name, change it to frame. You can see here that this is our base node and this is our frame. This is a controller of our animation and our model. So this is a frame. So let's change the frame value to hashtag frame, then it will be work on our timeline. Okay, I do this because it will be help us to a slow motion and a amazing motion and continuously motion without any disturbance. Okay, so if you are going to be create this, so let's create Shift A, add a attribute math node. Click here, change it to sine. Where is sine? Okay, okay friends, and change it to float. Connect the value here and change the result value to sine. Now Shift A, add a attribute vector math. Click here, change to multiply. Where is multiply? Here, and the B value to attribute. Okay, set the A value to normal and set the B value to sine and set the result as displacement. Okay, so I create this here. Press Shift A and add another. Before this, let's play animation. You can see that nothing is happening here. So create another attribute vector math. Okay, and change the value A to position. You can see here, change the value to B to disp and change the result to position also. Now you can see there is a animation is working on that. Now wow, it's just like a bumping animation here. Okay, it is happening continuously because we create a hashtag frame here, so we don't need to add a keyframe here. Okay, but it's looking so weird because it's only up and down, and looking at it under and out and in and out, in and out. Okay, whatever, I don't know about it, but it's looking so weird. So let's create something amazing. Okay, so press Shift A and add an attribute randomize node here. You can see and just click here. Okay, and just click on here RMD, randomize, and change the max value to 3. Now you can see here nothing is happening. So what we do now, create another attribute math node, right after here, and connect this a value to this. Okay, change the attribute value, click here to frame, RMD. Okay, change the value to here. First we are going to create this, connect to here B, and change A value to RMD, change B value to float. Okay, and connect, and let's frame, change the value to frame here, and now you can see that that's looking so amazing. Okay, but the speed is most relatable and the speed is too high. So I created this from the geometry nodes with the only help of the point instance nodes. Okay, what is happening? Okay, now you can see that. So I think you like this animation very much, because I created this here only a few steps and making something few animation and adding something to new geometry nodes here. Okay, so this is the first part of our video to making this type of animation. Then second part is coming soon. Okay, and if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe. Or if you want to know about more this animation, then please subscribe my channel. The second part will be coming soon, and if you want to learn the entire animation, then please subscribe my channel. And I know that there is this is very much time that I take to make this video. Sorry for that, and please subscribe my channel. And I know that my English is not working properly, and I am not working on my English properly, and I can't speak properly English, but I know that I am created my work and I am very professional in my work. So thank you to watch my video, and if you think that this video is very perfect and this video is too knowledgeable, then please subscribe my channel. Okay friends, so we will meet in our next video. Thank you friends to watch my video.